right, so here's the new ladder that I just got. Check it out. The way you carry it is there's a grip here, so you can pick it up, grip it like that, right? And then to release it, you just go like this. And now you can do your thing with it, right? Now, for it to go up, you'll notice if I go like this, it doesn't stay, right? What I have to do is I got to come down here, and I got to pull it from here. And you might want to put your foot there. And when I do that, it locks out. Okay, let me flip it around this way now, so you guys can see. So this is the thing that releases it. If I want to go up another one, I just go like that. Okay? And then if I want it to go down, now you want to make sure you don't have your hands in here or your head or anything. The way you get it to go down is you got to press these two things in, and then it'll fold up. So let me see if I can do it against this tree. All right, so if I press these, it should fold down like that. You follow me? And that's basically how it works. It does go up pretty high. Let's go ahead and do it. So again, I'm going to put my foot here, pull on it. It locks out. Do it again. Locks out. And again, ow. You got to be careful because you can pinch your fingers in here. I'm going to set it right there. Let's see if you guys can see it good. And again, to make it go down, it's going to go down fast. So do not get your fingers in here. Be careful. Here we go. You see that? All right, so again, here is your Velcro. It goes around. Let me show you. Right here is the Velcro. So this kind of collects it together. So like if you happen to pick it up this way, you know, it kind of holds it. So but you got to carry it like this. You follow me? That's how you do it. All right. So when you're working with it, you want to have these out, right? You got to release the Velcro. You always lift it from down here. I recommend putting your foot on here. Pull it. I'm going to pull it up one more. All right. Then you can put it against whatever you want to climb, just like that. I want to get up here, do something. I can do that. It's pretty strong, right? And then when you're done, you just push these two in, and it collapses. Here, let me bring it a little bit closer. The way it does it is there's these little things under here, and as they hit it, it continues down. So I'm going to push these two. I think I might get closer so you can see that. Good. So when I push these two in, I push this way and this way. Watch. Bam, done. This is what I'm pushing. You follow me? That's basically how it works. All right. So yeah. And then if you're ready to go, you just put your Velcro back on, right? Here's the one side and here's the other. I just flip it over like that, and that's the Velcro, right? And then I bring this up, hook it on there. And I'm just gonna grab it here. And now I'm ready to go. Now I'm done. Just carry my ladder away. Bam, Bob's your uncle.